Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from Robinhood. First, open Robinhood wallet on your iPhone. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner, then tap on withdraw. Here, search for the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, such as Bitcoin. Now enter or paste the wallet address where you want to send your crypto. Make sure the wallet address is correct and supports the same cryptocurrency network. Then go back and tap on send. Now tap on deposit crypto if you need to view or copy your receiving wallet address. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Here, copy the wallet address or scan the QR code if needed. Return to the withdrawal screen and paste the address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to withdraw. Review all the details carefully, including the wallet address, network, and amount. Once everything looks correct, tap Continue. If prompted, complete any security verification such as Face ID, Touch ID, or a verification code. Then tap Confirm to submit the withdrawal. Your transaction will be processed, and you can track its status from your transaction history. Once the blockchain confirms the transaction, the crypto will arrive in the destination wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.